Hello doctors. This video is for qualified doctors who wish to learn eyebrow hair transplant. You may be existing hair transplant surgeon or you may be new, but eyebrow hair transplant is a very specialized job. Only 1% surgeons and dermatologists in the world are able to do it in an amazing way. Why? I'll share some points, then you can watch our demo video for the same. So if you're already a hair transplant surgeon, you can do online course with us. We'll pass all the important instructions to you. You may be anywhere in the world. If you want to come to us at Mumbai or one of our training centers globally, then you can be part under supervision of the team and watch and be part of the team to do eyebrow hair transplant. So let me share a few thoughts. What goes wrong in most of the clinics and what you have to do. Little idea. Number one, the right texture. So if I take the hair from here, they grow too fast, they are more thicker. I'm talking about eyebrow hair transplant, both men and women. So we have to take nape of the neck here because they may not grow so fast. They will be closest to this and straight hairs. If we have body hair which are straight in men and women, that's still preferred. So we have to check the diameter and the texture of the hair of the existing eyebrows as well as what is available in the body. We have to prevent fast growing, and there are some other methods also how to reduce the growth of this hair too fast. Otherwise, every month she has to cut. Number one. Number two, there are special devices to make the slits for the eyebrow so that the bleeding is less, the the mark, the cut is less, and it is to the precise depth. As you know, the angle is so critical. Okay, it has to be straight, 5 degree. The directions are so critical. The, the overlap is so critical. The curls are so critical. Okay, the curls are so critical. Texture is so critical. Equal density both the sides. Equal thickness both the sides. So drawing a great eyebrows, we have a separate designers for that, who draw some great eyebrows for you and create a blueprint for you. Over that, you do the hair transplant. So there are separate instruments for this. There are separate solutions for better eye growth, and there is separate protocol how to first prepare the base of the eyebrow we're going to plant before it grows. Number two, it's very common. A lot of tissue is seen around the ground. That's wrong. You have to really make it lean, thin, and naked. No tissue. Why? If tissue is there, cobblestoning, raised. Even if you punch, remove, the mark is for permanent. We don't want pitting. We don't want cobblestoning. We want same texture hair. And imagine every single hair like a beautiful, natural, like microblading, that should happen. Imagine if instead of curl, the curl is here. Instead of curl here, the graft goes here. Some graft is growing here, some graft is growing here, some that's the common thing. So you have to do in 2 sessions. Do 70% or 75% in the first session, leave 25% eyebrow transplant for the next session nearby. Because if you overdo it, difficult to remove it. Of course, the designs are quite different for the men and the women. For ethnicities, the designs are different. So we say that specialized eyebrow transplant under mentorship one should go through. Same for the beard, same for the temple, because these are very specialized area with curls, angle, directions, trimming, everything matter. Most important, you have to take out long hair. If you don't take out long hair, how will you know the curl? How will you know the curl? Without curl, just it will all ruin. Imagine if somebody's eyebrows are ruined, it's a serious issue. Because even if you punch, they will leave a scar. You don't get a second chance. And you can also learn microblading very advanced with us. So microblading strokes, eyebrow transplant can work together, can work separately, but we have created a joint function, joint approach where we can give a combination of eyebrow hair transplant with microblading with long hairs. So devices are different. If you're already a hair transplant surgeon or you're entering the field of hair transplant, this is a specialized function in hair transplant practice. It's called premium eyebrow, natural eyebrows, hair transplant training and workshops. So here you are, you can call us, have an online workshop. If you are smart, intelligent, you're already in transplant, you can just, we will share all the thoughts of our experience. And if you're new, yes, then you have to be with us for the workshop, get under the supervision of our surgeons, go through the process of eyebrow hair transplantation. So we conduct workshops in Mumbai and in major cities across the world. Sometimes somewhere we conduct dummy workshops, somewhere we conduct actual hands-on workshop. Watch a small video to see few glimpses of our eyebrow hair transplantation.